Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you about red buds. There's a lot of varieties of red buds. This one here is actually in my backyard, and it's a forest pansy red bud. It's known for its large heart-shaped leaf. The forest pansy is one of the larger varieties of red buds. So this one here is going to probably get to be around 25-30 feet tall overall. So it's going to get to be a lot larger. It doesn't have as much excitement as some of the other varieties. There's like the flamethrower. There's so many varieties, it's crazy, and they all do something different. This one here, grown for its size, and it really has its neat, loose branching structure. So this one is a little bit looser, meaning that the branches are further apart, a little more wispy. It's going to provide some screening for me from my neighbors back here over time as it grows up. This tree is known as a deciduous tree, meaning that in the winter it's going to lose all of its leaves, which I really like deciduous trees because of the maintenance factor. Deciduous trees tend to drop all their debris roughly at one time, and then you're done. You clean it up and you're done. The drawback is it doesn't provide you some evergreen screening. So if you're looking for year-round coverage from something, then a deciduous tree is not what you want. You'll notice that this tree also has these little pods hanging down. So these are its seed pods. They put these on, they just naturally fall off after the spring. After it's done flowering, it'll put these guys on and then they just naturally fall off. There's nothing you need to worry about with that. You just let it do its thing. The most exciting part about this guy here is its flower. It's I call it kind of the dogwood of Texas, since dogwoods really don't do that well here in the Houston area. This one will put its flowers on about that same time. So early spring, after the freeze, usually February, March, before the leaves really start coming out. This guy is going to be covered in purple blooms over all the branches. And it's a very small flower, purplish in color, and really adds a lot of early excitement to your landscape. So other than that, this tree is affected by very little plants or diseases. It's such a hardy tree. It's native to this area. It's just a fun tree to grow here, and it adds some excitement. Oh, one other note here too. This is also what we call an ornamental tree. So meaning that it's going to stay a little smaller. So we have shade trees. So those get to be the really large varieties that actually provide shade for your landscape. And this is more of an ornamental. So meaning that it's going to provide some more excitement for your landscape, but it doesn't really provide that much shade. So that's what it's grown for. It grows underneath all these other trees and does really well. Some of the varieties do well in full sun, some need shade. Ask us if you're looking for something exciting in your landscape like a red bud, and we can help you pick a right variety for you. Enjoy and have fun in your landscape.